I've come to hole 8 because our friends from Verderflex are here, and once in a while we get to see these, but I have to say every time I see a Dura 80, I'm like, look at the size of that. What can I give you something to compare? Well, look, I think these are 28 mil bolt heads, so that gives you an idea of the size of this thing. And of course, it's an iDura, so it's got the variable frequency drive on it. So this is what we typically see in the larger waterworks, and you know, anybody who doesn't care about pulsation and needs sort of isolated flow, there's no chance of any leakage, chemicals, acids, things like that, we would use them.